Hi, I'm Colby with Delmar Fans and Lighting, and I'm here to show you how to install the Emerson Loft ceiling fan. Verify that you have all the parts and use the installation manual as a guide. You will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a wire stripper, two 1.5-inch screws with washers, and a ladder. It's very important to turn off the power at the circuit breaker box before you begin. For the blade assembly, install one blade on top of the motor using 2 screws, lock washers, and washers. Repeat this process until all blades are installed. For the motor assembly, cut the fan wires 6 inches longer than the downrod size you are using. Remove top motor coupling screws. Secure the motor cover with 3 screws and lock washers. Secure the downrod with the hitch pin and set screws. Slide the motor coupling cover, ceiling cover, over the downrod. Align and install the ball assembly. For hanging your ceiling fan, attach the hanger bracket to the outlet box using 2 1.5-inch screws and washers. Lift the fan and seat the hanger ball assembly on the hanger bracket. Line it up in the groove. For wiring your ceiling fan, connect the green ground wires. Connect the black power wires. Connect the white neutral wires. Secure all connections with wire connectors. For installing the canopy housing, lift the canopy up and install with the 2 knobs and lock washers. Then tighten. For installing the wall control, connect the ground wires, connect the black wire from the fan to the black wire coming out of the top of the control. Connect the other black wire to the 120-volt black wire coming out of the box. Attach the fan control to the outlet box and secure the wall plate. Restore power at the main breaker box and your fan is ready to rock and roll. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think of the Emerson Loft ceiling fan install. Thanks for joining me here at Delmar Fans and Lighting. Bye.